Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: a government ID, your tax ID, and proof of address so verification is fast. Next, decide the account type, individual, joint, or IRA, because that controls tax forms and funding options. Once ready, open Tradovate and click Sign Up, enter your email, create a strong password, and add a phone number for two-step verification. Do this now to keep momentum, because accurate initial details prevent later holds on funding and trading access. Once your account shell exists, complete the application thoroughly. Input legal name, date of birth, citizenship, and employment data so compliance checks pass. Then supply financial details, net worth, annual income, trading experience, and risk tolerance, because these determine approval levels and product access. Make sure to select cash versus margin account. Margin choices require extra agreements and minimums. After that, pick your clearing member option and confirm margin requirements so you know buying power and potential maintenance calls. Finish by verifying your identity and e-signing all agreements. Check email or phone for codes and upload documents when prompted. Once verified, fund the account via ACH or wire. Start with a small test deposit to confirm bank linkage and reduce delays. After funding clears, download the Tradovate platform, enable two-factor authentication, and confirm market access. If verification or funding stalls, contact support immediately and have your document images and transaction ID ready to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.